Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today we are going to learn lesson number 2nd, 6th standard angles. Okay, already from 3rd standard onwards we know about angle. What is the meaning of angle? So see children, pay attention here. When two rays, see this is one ray and this is second ray, correct? When two rays are connected with one corner, so that figure is called angle. Okay, so this is a angle. What is the type of angles that we learn in this lesson? So first of all, I label it. Everyone pay attention. A, B, C. Now when we write down the name of the angle, so we use this symbol. This is the symbol of angle. Angle A, B, C. Okay. And this B is the vertex. Got it everyone? Now what is the arms of the angle? Two arms are there. Angle having the two arms. The first AB or BA, whatever. So we have to write down seg AB and second seg BC. This is the introduction of the angle. Already we learn in 5th and 4th standard. Okay. Now in 6th standard we have to learn the types of angles. Understood this topic? Now moving to the next, that is means types of the angle. Okay. In 6th standard we have learn about different types of angles. Types of angles. The first one, that is means zero angle. Now what is meant by zero angle? Simple and easy. The angle an angle which is measure of 0 degree, so that angle is called zero angle. Okay. Okay. Now the next one. After I will show you the demo. So first of all I just go through the definition. Now second, that is means acute angle. Now what is meant by acute angle? An angle which is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. So that angle is called acute angle. Okay. Less than 90 degree, okay, and more than or greater than 0 degree, okay. So such a angle is called acute angle. Then third, that is means right angle. Again an angle which measure 90 degree. Is called right angle. Okay. Afterward, fourth one, that is means obtuse angle. In 5th standard we learn obtuse angle, right angle, acute angle. So what is meant by obtuse angle? An angle which is more than 90 degree. The measurement of an angle. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay. So such a angle is called obtuse angle. Okay. Now see children, I use these two scales to show you the angles. First of all, see these two arms are there. Okay. These two arms, when we connected this corner, so this is the angle. See, different type of angles are there. Am I right? Okay. So understood the definition of angle. two rays are connected with each corner, so that figure is called angle. Now zero angle. So two arms, okay, these two arms lie on one upon another, so this angle is called zero angle. Understand? This is zero angle. And acute angle means the angle which is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So it is our acute angle. Okay. Afterward, an angle which measure as a 90 degree. So it is called right angle. Then third, an angle which is the measurement of an angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it is called obtuse angle. Understood everyone? Afterward, next, that is means straight angle. I am not written on the board, but just pay attention. See children, this is straight angle. The measurement of an angle, totally the measurement of an angle which is 180 degree. Okay, see, this is our half circle. You people know the protector, correct now? So this is our straight angle. What is this? Straight angle. Understood everyone? Afterward, next, that is means reflex angle. Now what is meant by reflex angle? The angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, more than obtuse angle, more than 180 degree, more than straight angle. So that angle is called reflex angle. And then when this angle complete the full circle, okay, so it is called full angle or complete angle. And the measurement of that angle is 360 degree. Understood everyone? These are the types of angles. Again, for the next explanation, I will make another next part 2. So keep watching my channel, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.